Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video, we're doing my haul of the remaining items that I that I purchased from Bath & Body Works online from their $4.95 body care sale, and then a BOPUS order, the buy online pickup in store, that I got from the 40% off sale they just had. I think it's still going on as of today that I'm filming this. So if you want to see the items that I did pick up from that sale and the current sale that's going on now, then just stay tuned. And if you haven't already, go down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get started. So let's go with the items that I ordered from the $4.95 sale that they had on the body care stuff first. And then we'll get into the 40% off stuff. I think that's how I'm going to do it. So first things first, the couple of things that I got from my hubby is I got him another one of his Ocean Bearded Oil there for him, and also the Ocean Scented Beard and Scruff Cream. So got that for him, as well as the body cream for the Moon. This was one of his favorite colognes that he got from them, so got him the cream in that. So that is the main stuff that I got. So let's go on to the other items. I got a backup of the milk body cream as well as the honey one. I love these, so got that while it was on sale, as well as in the Stars body butter. So if anyone doesn't know, the Cocoa Shea one, the honey one, is just like it says, sweet shea and golden honey. And this other one, that's for the milk collection, just says sugared oats and whipped milk. So that's what those two are. And then in the Stars one is the one that has the starflower, sandalwood musk, sugared tangelo, white agarwood, and radiant amber. So that is those. And I did get the At the Beach one. And this one is the one, they put these in these different packagings. I think the packaging on these are super cute. But you got to peel this up for the notes. White frangipani blossoms, toasted coconut, bergamot water, sea salt breeze, and sun-kissed musk is what this one has on it. So, got another one of these. This says body cream, not body butter on it. And then I got a couple of the Gingham Gorgeous body mist a while back, but I don't remember getting any of their lotions or body cream for it. So I wanted to get this while it was on sale. So I got the body lotion and the body cream both in Gingham Gorgeous. And this one has pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony blooms. And then the other thing I got was platinum body lotion and body cream. So I got some more of these. This one is sparkling bergamot, silver blooms, and patchouli musk. And then I got a couple of the body butters in it. This is the Glotion body butter. So got a couple of those. And then the rest of the items I got from the body care section was from their Touch of Gold. So we're going to move into the Touch of Gold. So some of these, the body care items I got during the $4.95 sale, and then the other item I got during the 40% off sale. So let me go ahead and get these other little items out the way first. This was part of the 40% off sale. I got another one of these. I have this already in my car. I wanted a second one to put up for the car. This is their vent or visor clips. So wanted a second one of those in there. And I also, guys, they started having fabric care dryer sheets. Who would have thunk it? But I got the one in lavender vanilla and the one in sun drenched linen. Now sun drenched linen is one that I really love in the wallflower, and lavender vanilla, I love it in just about everything it comes in. So these smell very pungent through the boxes. I smell them clearly. So I'm looking forward to see how they do in the laundry. But lavender vanilla has fragrance notes of lavender blossom, creamy vanilla, and white woods. And then the sun drenched linen has fragrance notes of fresh linen, crisp apple, and sunny musk. So that is this one from the White Barn. It says that it has 40 sheets in here. So 40 jar sheets. So that's what they have on these. And so I'm looking forward to trying them out. See what I think about them. So that is those. So the other thing that I got was this candle holder. I've been eyeing this bow candle holder for a while now. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So I decided to pick that up this time around. I'm thinking about maybe replacing this one. This one is my butterfly one. And sitting it here, I don't know yet. Y'all tell me, what do you think? Should it go here somewhere? I got my flowers sitting there right now that my honey got for me, but I'm going to move those out. But I'm thinking about putting them here and putting that here instead. Right now, like I said, I love this butterfly one. And it has my Touch of Gold candle in it. And this candle, you guys, I haven't burnt it yet, but it smells up this room. It smells gorgeous. The other day when I was sitting here, I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday, I was sitting here and I was like, is that my perfume smelling so good? I thought it was, no, it was was it a perfume or body mist? I was like, this thing really smelling good. And I was sitting right here and then I realized, I said, girl, that's that candle. It was smelling so good, and it still smells so good. Like when you walk in the room, you can smell it. And I haven't even burnt it yet. All I got is the lid off of it. It smells gorgeous. But I'm thinking about putting this there. So I haven't decided yet, but if not, it's going to go somewhere else. I think it's gorgeous. So I just want to display it, put my candles in. I think it's a beautiful. The other thing that I got was one of the hand sanitizers, the Touch of Gold hand sanitizer, because I know I love this scent, so I'm going to put that there so when I wear the scent, I'll have it. So these next few items I got from the $4.95 sale, and then the last item I got from the 40% off. But all of these is the Touch of Gold. So the rest of these items is the Touch of Gold collection. I got the body wash in it. Then I got 2 of the lotions, the body lotions. And again, in case anyone forgot what it is, it has bright blackberries, golden orange blossom, and decadent tonka. Also got it in the body cream. And then I got 2 of the body butters, because this scent is amazing. It really is. That's what the body butter looks like. But the 40% off sale came right after this sale, and I was super excited because I knew I wanted this perfume. From the day I reviewed it with you guys, what was it, a week or so ago at this point, a couple of weeks ago now, and I got that mini travel spray, perfume spray, and I did the wear test on that and absolutely loved it. I knew I wanted the big boy in this. So I didn't think I was going to be able to get it this quickly because I didn't expect them to do a 40% off sale so fast. So got this, and it comes in this huge box. You see how big the box is compared to my head. This is a huge box. It opens up like this. Isn't that beautiful? It opens up just like this. Got the little thing to go in and everything. Like, oh. But yep, that's it. That's how it come packaged. Just huge box for that little bitty thing. Like, I don't know. I guess somebody expected someone to display it like this. I'm not. But you know, the presentation is gorgeous. Well, hey, we'll take the presentation. It looks gorgeous. But that is the perfume. And this is what the bottle looks like. I had it in my store walkthrough where I showed you guys what it looked like. But this is what the bottle looks like. It is gorgeous. And I know I'm going to love this scent because I already done wore it in the travel size of it. So this right here is a good one. This is a 3.4 fluid ounce, 100 milliliter. And this is Eau de Perfume. So we got the touch of gold. You guys got the touch of gold. I think that's everything that it comes in too. I don't know. Other than a room spray or something, I didn't get that. I got the candle instead. So that is everything that I got from the $4.95 body care sale that ran into also the 40% off everything sale in store, which is good because you cannot use your rewards on these kind of items here anymore. So you got to get it when it's on sale, which you couldn't use it on this anyways because that's $30. But a lot of those accessory type items, you can't use your rewards on them anymore. But they have 40% off going on right now. So that's, at least they do that from time to time off everything in the store, so then you can be able to select those type of items when you want it. I kind of wish I would have waited to get my little pink little bowl hand sanitizer thing. It just probably would have been $1 or so, but still, I wish I would have waited just one more week and I would have had it 40% off. But I already got it now and been using it and enjoying it. But other than that, you guys, that's everything that I got, that I picked up. I'll let you know in a future video at some point what I think about these other items, especially like these dryer sheets, what I think about them. And layering this stuff together with other things, we'll get going with it and see what we think about it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.